Can you go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers? What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible for you to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok, and if you head over to your profile section, you'll be able to see your following count and then the number of followers. As you can see, I don't have many followers here. So if you have 1,000 followers or more, and if you meet all the criteria to go live on TikTok, then once you tap on the plus icon on the center, you will get an option for live here at the bottom, but as you can see, I don't have it right now because I do not meet the criteria to go live on TikTok. So what are the TikTok criteria to go live? So as you can see here on the TikTok support page, here it will show you who can use live on TikTok. You must be at least 18 years to go live, be at least 18 or 19 in South Korea, to send or receive gifts during a live, and then you must have 1,000 followers to go live. It may vary across regions, but the standard is 1,000 followers. And once you meet all of these criteria, only then you'll be able to go live on TikTok. So that's pretty much it. You cannot go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.